Okay, here is problem solving question 16. Let's read it. Poppy, Felix and Alexei sell 700 raffle tickets between them. Poppy sells twice as many tickets as Felix, and Alexei sells 24 more tickets than Poppy. How many tickets did each of them sell? Okay, let's think. Right, so there are three people here selling some tickets, right? Okay, we are talking about Poppy here, that who sells twice as many tickets as Felix. So for example, if Felix would sell X tickets, so Poppy would be 2X, right? So let's just assume that one of them is X, okay? It doesn't matter which one, okay? But I think it is easier to choose Felix as X, because then Poppy is twice as many as Felix, and multiply by 2 is easier than divide by 2 if, say, Poppy would be X, okay? So we say let X be the number of tickets that Felix sells. Right? Then Poppy sells twice as many, so she will sell 2X, yeah, tickets. And Alexei sells 25 more tickets than Poppy. If Poppy sells 2X tickets, he sells 25 more, so he sells 2X plus 25 tickets, right? Okay, altogether, three of them sell 700 tickets, right? So they sold X, then they sold 2X, and then they sold 2X plus 25, and that's all together is equal to 700. So collect like terms, x 2x plus 2x is 5x, plus 25 is equal to 700. Take away 25 from 700, it will be 675, and so x will be 675 divided by 5. So x will be 6, and let's do it, 675 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5, so the remainder will be 1. 17 divided by 5 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 17 take away 15 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5, so it's 135 tickets for Felix. So Felix will be 135. Then 2x is going to be twice as much, so it's 270. And then 2x plus 25 will be just 25 more. 270 plus 25, which is 295. Let's add them together to check whether we are getting... Check. Alright, check. 295 plus 270 plus 135. Okay. 5, 0 and 5, 10. 1 and 9 is 10, and 7 and 3 is 10, so it's 20. So I'm writing like this, and then 2, 2 and 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So we've got 700 back, so surely our number is correct. Now we need to place them correctly. Remember what x was? X was Felix, so Felix is 135. Then who was 2x? 2x was Poppy, so Poppy is 270. And who was 25 more tickets than Poppy was Alexei, 195. So that's the question solved. The next question was estimate the coordinates of the turning point of y equals x squared minus 3x plus a. So here is the graph, and estimate, it means you're looking at the graph and the turning point is the minimum or maximum point on the parabola, where you see, if you look at this graph, see up to the turning point, which is in our particular case is the minimum point, the graph was going down. It means when axes were increasing, right? If you go from left to right, your y's were decreasing, and after this turning point, you see your x's are increasing, but the y's started to increase, right? So therefore, this is the turning point. After this point, the graph turned its direction, right? So we need just to estimate the coordinates. So what is x? Look, here is 1, here is 2, so x will be 1.5, isn't it? Because you can see it's clearly in between. And what is 2? Let's see. If this is -1, and we have 4 small divisions between 0 and 1, so surely this is -0.25. So we can say this one is 1.5 and this one is -0.25. Okay, you could give your answer as a fraction. This is 3/2 and this is -1/4. We'll see which one. Both of them will be accepted, but which one is more convenient, it's up to you. Now they ask you to write the value of a. In order to write this value, you obviously need to know that how to find the minimum value of quadratic expression. And when we've been learning completing the square, you have been shown how to complete the square. Oh, no, sorry, I think I overcomplicated things here. It's much easier than what I thought. In fact, the value of a is quite simple. You don't need to do anything here. So look, when x is 0, y is going to be 0 squared minus 3 times 0 plus a. 0 squared is 0, minus 3 times 0 is 0, so we've got a. So if we know the value of y when x equals 0, that is the value of y, right? So if x is 0, look at this graph, it's 2, yeah? So therefore y is 2 from the graph, 2. Simple question, much simpler than we thought at the before, right? So here it is, question 16 and 17 for you.